Do you have balls? Can you throw them? You throw? Throw to Mama. Mama catch. Ready? You gonna throw it? Yay! You gonna get it? Good job. You gonna throw it? What you doing?
Shoes.
Your shoes. Can you throw? Oh, you lost a shoe. That's okay. We'll get it later. Can you throw the ball? Hey, don't worry about your shoe. Hey. Oh, you gonna put on Mama's foot? Foot. Here, Mama, take off your shoe. There we go. Oh, better. Better. Okay, can you throw the balls? Throw? I'll catch. Catch. Throw to Mama. Ready? Throw. I catch. Hey, throw to Mama. Hey, over here. No, it's just, do you want to throw it and go get it yourself? Okay, throw. Ready? Set. Go. That's it. You gotta throw the balls. Go. Go. All right. No, you get. I don't want to get. You get. Yay! Woohoo! You gonna throw? Yay! No, you get. You go get it. Good job. You ready? Me catch? Now you gotta throw it. You throw to Mama? Ready? Yes. What? Hey, I thought you were gonna throw the ball to Mama.
Mama.
Yeah. Oh. Throw. Okay. Are we fascinated by the balls? Yeah. Catch. You are silly. Are you silly? Yeah. Are you crazy? Are you awesome? Hey, Aaron. Are you awesome? What the heck are you doing? Hey. Psst. Awesome. Are you awesome? Are you awesome? Say awesome. Hey, can you say awesome? What was that? Say awesome.